My name is Rolf Stolte. I'm Senior Sales and Marketing Manager for Optical Communication Test Equipment at Coherent. We are here at ECOC 2025 and it's nice to talk to you about our new introductions.
Thank you. Can you just give us a brief overview of the product you have launched in ECOC 2025 this year?
We have introduced here at ECOC the new WaveAnalyzer 200B. This WaveAnalyzer 200B is a portable optical spectrum analyzer which is battery operated with touchscreen, and it has new capabilities. It is covering the super C-band, and also it has a resolution bandwidth of 650 megahertz, which is very tiny and very fine, so that you can identify very small features in optical spectra.
It brings to my next question, so moving on to your other product, the WaveAnalyzer device, the 1500B. So can you just give us in simple terms how it works and what is the advantage of the 1500B compared to your 1500A?
Our WaveAnalyzer 1500B is also a new introduction. It is a heterodyne optical spectrum analyzer which works with a coherent measurement principle. It is covering the C plus L band with a very high resolution of 180 megahertz, which is just a bit more than 1 picometer. And it has a repetition rate of up to 10 sweeps per second. Plus, it has an outstanding frequency accuracy of about 100 megahertz absolute frequency accuracy enabled by an internal gas reference cell.
I know that a lot of customers most of the WaveShaper customers or the WaveAnalyzers customers are universities or colleges. So with those two new models, is there any new target areas you're targeting with this, the launching of this WaveAnalyzer 200B and the 1500B?
In particular, the WaveAnalyzer 1500B is targeted towards manufacturing environments of transceivers. So this WaveAnalyzer 1500B has this outstanding frequency accuracy, as I mentioned just before, and that is an accuracy which is in the wavelength meter class, and therefore this optical spectrum analyzer replaces a traditional optical spectrum analyzer, plus it replaces the wavelength meter. This allows to save rack space and cost in a manufacturing environment.
So now, as you know, this AI is a buzzword in the market right now. So do you feel this WaveAnalyzer 1500B and the 200B, right? It will help those guys who are looking into AI and they want to introduce AI into their manufacturing or into their universities?
Well, of course, these units, they are allowing to increase the throughput in manufacturing. They are lowering the cost of test. They are reducing the footprint. So these are all advantages when you're ramping up your manufacturing, and that is helping the manufacturers providing devices for AI.
For anyone who is interested in learning more about these products and also to purchasing the 200B or the 1500B WaveAnalyzers, so when it will be getting launched for the general public?
The WaveAnalyzer 1500B is available. It is shipping. You can order it. We have loaner units available, so please talk to us in case you are interested. The WaveAnalyzer 200B is a new introduction at this show, and it will start shipping before the end of this year.
So it will be shipping before end of 2025, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Rolf. Thanks for your time. And if anybody wants to learn more about it and wants to have a demo unit or wants to buy something, please contact us at epsglobal.com. We'll be happy to help.